Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to connect Amafit GTS 4 Mini to phone, only way. Open Bluetooth on your phone and install the Zep app to begin pairing right away. Turn on the watch and follow the app prompts to scan the watch QR code or choose it from the device list. Allow permissions and complete account setup when asked. Stay near the phone until syncing finishes for health data and watch faces to transfer. Start the Zep app and go to Profile, then add device to select GTS 4 Mini from the list. When the app shows a pairing code, confirm it on the watch screen to establish a secure connection. Allow location, storage, and notification permissions so the watch can sync alarms, messages, and activity data. Keep both devices close together until the initial sync completes and the watch restarts with your settings intact. If this video is helping you out, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with tech purchases by helping prioritize savings over impulse buys. Check the description for the link and other deals, then tap back in because now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, try restarting both the phone and the watch, then attempt pairing again through Zep. Ensure no other Bluetooth devices are interfering and that the watch is not already linked to another account. Clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app can resolve detection issues. If nothing works, perform a factory reset on the watch to clear previous pairings, then repeat the pairing process from scratch for a clean start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.